Oh yeah, boba. I think this is the home of the hot pot, or the milk tea, I mean.
Hoy pienso en qué pasó y cómo me afectó las horas.
Okay, this is what I'm talking about, baby. This is what I've been missing. Look at this fish meatball paste.
En aquel bus. No entiendo.
Okay, supposedly it's in here. So let's go find out. The Shinkong Mitsukoshi department store. I guess on the weekends there's not a lot of currency exchange places here, but today maybe there is one. So hopefully, because it's been a pain trying to find the currency exchange, this might be. Oh, information, they should know. Hopefully they speak English. I think they probably do. But then anyhow, is it currency exchange?
Do you have passport?
Yeah, oh, it's here?
Yeah,
Oh.
elevator attendant going down, second basement, the same place.
Okay, thank you. Wow, nice. She even asked me if I had a passport, because you need a passport here. Ladies and gentlemen, we have found it. Not the best rate, but that's okay, we'll take it. See, to exchange money?
Passport.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have obtained the currency. We got the 500 here, which is, I don't know what they have on there. It's like a, I don't know what that is. They're a baseball team. It's got the deer on the front of it, which is pretty cool. And the 100, I think this is like a big temple or something. I'm not too sure what that one is. And then, I don't know who this guy is. Looks like a sophisticated man. Looks like a philosopher, probably. And they got the Mac Daddy 1000 bill, which is about 30 US, something like that. The kids on the globe on it, I don't know what they're doing. And then they got the bird. You know, a lot of foreign currencies, they always have birds on the coins. I don't know, but usually it's like an eagle or something. But this one's got, this one's like not a flamingo. No, not flamingo. Peacock. It's a peacock. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, so we got the money. Now we need to find something to eat. I didn't want to eat in here. I wanted to eat in the local neighborhood, but I'm telling you, it's impossible to park here. It's so hard to park here. It really is. The streets are really narrow. The parking's hard, especially if it's busy. So we gotta go find some. Okay, but wait. First, we gotta try out this chocolate milk, cacao milk. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, real quick, let's try out this cacao milk. This looks legitimate too. That's why I bought this. And it has a little bit of caffeine in it. It'll be good. Oh yeah, that is delicious. That is delicious. That is some seriously good chocolate milk. I'm telling you, the Asians, they do it right. They don't ever let you down, baby. Okay, so now we gotta legitimately, really, actually this time find something to eat. So let's see though, I'm not sure what area we're in. I don't know if this looks familiar, but definitely a massive tourist area. But it's okay, I parked also right here. I parked right there. I'm gonna get some Taiwanese food. Something good. Maybe some noodles. Something with some noodles. It's a little chilly out here. It feels crisp, fresh. It's nice. It's been hot in Asia, so this is a nice change of pace. Something good, should be exciting. Man, so it's crazy because a lot of the streets here, they got all these signs right behind that are always like this. And I haven't really seen, I think in Korea it's kind of like that. I definitely know in Vietnam it's kind of like that. And I think it's, maybe they got that from here. You know, I'm not too sure, but it's pretty cool. There's really no English, which is nice, right, when you're traveling, but at the same time, you kind of take for granted, you know, the lack of English at times. Because like in Korea, for instance, as soon as you went out of the city center, game over, no English, which is nice and it's not, you know, but I mean, you can always use your phone and translate, but still, it's difficult. But yes, this is crazy. You really feel like you're in another country here.
Mi abuelo distraído se bajó sin mí, yo seguí. Acapulco no era un lugar para una niña de mi edad.
Oh yeah, boba. I think this is the home of the hot pot, or the milk tea, I mean. There's a ton of milk tea places, which I am a milk tea fanatic. I have to admit it. Oh yeah, here we go. All right. This looks more legit. This is what I'm looking for, baby. This is what I've been looking for right here. Some nice noodles. Yeah. Can I just get this one? Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
带走还是里面吃？
Yes, sweet. Yeah.
可以够。
Yeah, yeah. Just whatever. Whatever sounds good. I think it's taro and meatball. Oh yeah. Oh, look what they got here too. They got blood sausage.
Hello, what do you like?
Hello. Is this place same? Same? Oh, okay, okay. Is that potato? Is it potato or
Potato?
Yeah.
Potato?
No, is that taro or potato?
Taro, no. Potato, no.
Oh. What is this? What is this?
Like vegetable. I don't know.
Oh, vegetable. Oh. And then that's
And
meat.
that's a fish.
Oh, fish meatball?
Yeah.
Oh, fish meatball. Nice.
好，谢
Okay,
谢。
谢谢. Thank you. Okay. Okay, I always feel bad, you know, kind of recording older people because I think maybe it's kind of disrespectful, but you know, it is what it is. You gotta do what you gotta do. I wish I could just speak a little bit of. I need to learn a little more. If I was spending more time here, I'd for sure learn a lot more Mandarin. I think it is. So she said it's a certain kind of vegetable. I wonder if it's jicama. I wonder if this is jicama. It might be jicama. So let's try this broth. Ooh, nice. It's just nice, delicate flavor, a little bit salty, a little bit of green onion in there. Let's try out this mysterious vegetable. I don't know what it is either, but it's kind of like a potato. With this fish meatball taste. Oh yeah, that's good. I think they actually make the meatball here. It tastes pretty damn good. And this was all like 35 Taiwanese dollars. It's like $1 US. So that's a great deal.
De piedad, con solo 4 años enfrenté la soledad.
Minted noodles with intestine. Hell yeah, baby. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have found, this is what I've been looking for. Fine noodles with intestine. That's what I'm talking about. This is what I thought I was gonna be here in Taiwan. So let's try this one too. Yeah. Yeah, let's get one. Yeah, yeah. Small. Yeah. Just It's okay? It's okay? Okay, okay.
我要那个外带，大的臭豆腐1份，然后3个小的臭豆腐，然后3碗边线，小的。
Okay, this should be good. Give this a shot. I don't know if there's, oh yeah, there's some more dining, there's some more seating back here. Oh yeah, here we go. Kind of want to try that intestines, but I think I'm getting the tofu, but it's alright, we'll try out the tofu. We got our tofu here, and I'm not too sure what the sauce is in it. I don't know what it is. I have no idea. Ginger, sesame, soy, I don't know. Wow, there might be some of that intestine in there. It's a little bit funky, but it's good. The tofu is really crispy. Let's try out these veggies. What's good too is a little bit pickled. I think it's pickled veggie or something like that. I got these sauces here too, but I don't. This kind of smells like gochujang sauce almost, like the fermented Korean soybean paste. Let's try this out. That's really salty. Salty, a little bit spicy. Let's try it. Let's mix it together. Let's try these. That's really good. I don't think I've ever had tofu this crispy. I've had crispy tofu, but this is like seriously crispy. This is almost like fried chicken crispy. Okay, sure. Okay, that was pretty damn good. That was pretty damn delicious. We gotta go find another spot though. We gotta go find one more thing. Oh look, the YMCA. But we gotta go find one more thing. Something Taiwanese. I need something like true. I'm gonna go ask someone this time. We gotta figure it out because I'm running around here like a blind duck or something like that. Something stupid. Okay, this is what I'm talking about, baby. This is what I've been missing. Look at this little. Looks like we got some noodles and some kind of fried thing there. Anyhow, can I just get one this? Yeah.
No.
Yeah. No, here. Yeah. I think maybe one.
Meatball.
Oh, meatball? Yeah, maybe one. Thank you. Sure. You speak English, sir?
What?
You speak English?
Yeah, just ready.
Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Here we go. Alright, sure. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Okay, so I don't know, this meatball, this is like a ravioli almost. That thing was in some serious oil. It was like, oof, you can see it on the video. That was like just dripping in oil. But here it is. Pretty nice looking. Okay, so here we go. Camera just died, but we're back. And I think this is pork or beef, not too sure, but let's give it a shot. It's real tender and sweet. I think it's got some chunks of garlic in there. Just gotta get a bite of this skin here. Oh yeah, that's good. I think these are just huge chunks of garlic. Yeah, definitely garlic. Man, this is good. It's like sweet, but it's got a lot of flavor. It's kind of got like soy sauce in there. There's a lot going on in this. Yeah, I can't eat that whole thing though, because I put on all the weight that I lost. Because you saw that thing was just dripping in oil. Okay, now let's try these noodles. I don't know. I don't know. I've never had a noodle like this before. This isn't kind of like a hard noodle. Honestly, I don't really like it that much. It's not bad, but it's not soft like it looked like it would be. And that broth is just pretty mild. It's good. I like that. I wonder what this is. This probably been here forever. I don't know if it's like some classic Taiwanese food or what, but this thing's pretty delicious. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that was pretty damn good. Okay, I gotta say it. I didn't really like the noodles, I'm not gonna lie, but that was pretty good. That was good. I gotta admit it. Cool spot too, honestly. I don't think I've ever been in a place that was that narrow. Even in Vietnam or any of those other, even in Seoul in Korea, it's a little bit different. Ladies and gentlemen, this brings me full circle back to the elevator right here. Going down to pick up the car. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.